All right, we're working on the Suburban today, but this is a cold startup on the 2018 Ford Mustang. Well, that was easy to diagnose. It looks like these two pipes are touching, which makes them rattle against each other. Let's weld these up. I wouldn't say it's the greatest welding job in the world, but they're stuck on there. They're not going anywhere, so I think I'll bend that down just a little bit so it doesn't hit the body. Well, I'm glad that was nice and easy. I thought it was going to be way up underneath the car, but it wasn't underneath the car, so I'm happy about that. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you for commenting down below. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. I try to upload new videos every week. I don't always have the time, but you can always look forward to a video from me in the future. Thanks for watching.